Anybody addicted like me? You get up in the morning and the first thing you do, after reading your Bible, of course, is to come outside and look at your plants. Yeah. You want to make sure everything is all good. You know, for the longest while, I've tried to grow Oregon. And look at my beautiful Oregon. Isn't it nice with some time? Amazing. You know, it's nothing like having stuff to cook with, especially spices like sage, rosemary, thyme, oregon, parsley, cilantro. I mean, you can grow all those little things and you'll be amazed. Fresh is best. I said it. Yeah. What are you doing? Are you checking on your plants in the morning?